Yeah, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Flexin', we really flexin'. Flex. My squad go hard, what you reppin'? What you reppin'? Catch us in the club, two-steppin'. Look at me, look at me. All you haters mad, why you stressin'? Why you mad? Flexin', we really flexin'. Flex. My squad go hard, what you reppin'? What you reppin'? Catch us in the club, two-steppin'. All night. All you haters mad, why you stressin'? Why you mad? Flexin' and finessin'. Flex. On no gang, Southside, what you reppin'? What you reppin'? Pop Molly, hands down, ain't no guessing. Nah. 878, oh woo we stay reppin'. What you thought I just bopped through my city? Hell nah. I'm Puffy L's, real nigga, I ain't Diddy. Let's get it. In the club with my Mollies, no 50. No 50. When she pop a Molly in the club, she fucking with me, come with me. Baby girl. This is how a real nigga spit. Huh? No long talk, you can get it how you live. Let's get it. Everybody rapping now, who I'm better than? Dwayne Wade in my market, I'm a veteran. Your money slim, that's why you moving shady. Whack. You got no rocks, but you claim to be Jay-Z. I did magic with the Rockets, Tracy. Then did magic with the Hawks, McGrady. Flexin', we really flexin'. Flex. My squad go hard, what you reppin'? What you reppin'? Catch us in the club, two-steppin'. Look at me, look at me. All you haters mad, why you stressin'? Why you mad? Flexin', we really flexin'. Flex. My squad go hard, what you reppin'? What you reppin'? Catch us in the club, two-steppin'. Look at me, look at me. All you haters mad, why you stressin'? Why you mad? Name ring bells, yeah, you heard of me. Puffy. Niggas eating pussy, I ain't talking physically. Pillow talking about my name, yeah, that's verbally. Even if shorty lets you hit, that's a third degree. Charge it to the game, no apologies. Lost a couple real niggas and they still a part of me. Tell shorty she can trick or treat, but no Halloween. Nothing but bad bitches with my niggas on the scene. But my niggas still get it out the muscle. A new year, new money, new hustle.
Joker Killer.
Can't really feel me, no struggle.
Maybe the third time.
All on the table, no ruffles. All dressing. No ruffles. Yeah, man. Niggas fucked up, man. Shouldn't have let me in here, man, but it is what it is. It's another one. Ha! Flexin', we really flexin'. Flex. My squad go hard, what you reppin'? What you reppin'? Catch us in the club, two-steppin'. All night. All you haters mad, why you stressin'? Why you mad? Flexin', we really flexin'. Flexin'. My squad go hard, what you reppin'? What you reppin'? Catch us in the club, two-steppin'. Look at me, look at me. All you haters mad, why you stressin'? Why you mad?
Price machine, pricer, price machine, pricer, price machine, pricer, price machine, pricer, price machine. Fuck ball when I finally seen the trap house. I bought an ounce when I finally rinsed my hot box. I bought some jewels cause a nigga just cashed out. You alone in the trap that don't pass out. I got a youngin' with a strap that I don't worry about. I got a dude still trap around Hastings. Watch it fella leg, watch it fella Davis. I got bros and all they say is hurry up. All I hear from these OGs move wiser. I guess I'm too young but for a wiser. Fans out my ass so I gotta move wiser. Try and tie me up like the insidious spider. High up north side, gotta move south. Spot got hot so I gotta move out. They call me presser cause a nigga really pressin'. And if you really want we could take it back 07. From a crazy block you better die for your necklace. My niggas ain't with all that faggot ass wrestling. Bad little Hector but we change his name to Hecklin. Take it off his neck cause we ain't into poppin'. Fuck preparing, I just wanna wear it. Don't put your head on my block cause I'll tear it. I do it gladly like I'm Tony. Two in the pump call me Kyrie. Don't make me drop a nigga like I'm Ivy. I'ma blow, reason why they don't like me. The cops and the ops red eye get them vising. My bro's a trap while I'm in Miami. Watching in the kitchen and he in there cooking Kylie. I'm a fresh kid, reason why I'm so swaggy. White Hugo Boss cause I never like white tees. And if I get locked up I bet 100 girls rape me. Pops locked up from Sega's past P2s. I was in the trailer where Pops and Crash Bandicoot. I was only 8, he's still locked up now. Lost a murder trial, he should've pled out. Like Pressa said, I want the Lambo in the mansion. She drifting my DM so I know she bad action. IG my condo, just a young nigga lavish. Now she on me cause my caption. Bro gold tips cause he shooting like he golden. They gave my bro 10 like a nigga was the Rosen. Nigga freezing up, you would've thought a nigga frozen. Any chance I got I couldn't hesitate. hesitate to smoke him. Cops wanna know what I know. Bricks all white, yeah, albino. Gunfire hot like pyro. Nigga fuck the hoops like Giles. Niggas wanna play me like Spyro. Bullets make a bitch nigga high, no. I'm in the trap and my doors like a walk-in. My baby cousin got a closet that she walking. But if I had a daughter, she'd be my goddess. I only buy her jewelry boxes. Straight off my block, I'm just being honest. Why she got the shooting when the cops try to box him? Raised on my block, all I knew was koaling. 6 into 90, wouldn't knew I could ward him. He still buying hard, he still hustle backwards. She question if I trap, and bitch I got my master. Want her for a moment, I'm before nor after. I ain't into story, never thought I was an author. Niggas giving tips like this particular master. I swear it's been an L like a Zagger. OTM trappers and shout out to my agger. Your bitch on my dick, so I touch her to a gagger. Niggas sit on work like they hoarder. Willie 250, flip a quarter. Willie bands. 100 band hoppers. The way they sell coke like the way we sellin' hoppers. 30 pick him up like he try to climb a ladder. Make his brains fucking splatter. Nigga, we don't mind, and nigga, you don't matter. Cause all we live by is mind over matter. And revenge is a promise. Still on my block paying homage. Young Zax for change, gave him mileage. Bitch, I'm so wassy, I ain't even savage. Bro got possession and he ain't even have it. Loose phone talk on the wire. They hit me with the Rico as a minor. Burst of thunder plus rubber grip like a tire. This gon' get him gone like a flyer. 6 get him lit like a lighter. Niggas get him flat, but niggas never landed. I think he like shooting cause a nigga both handed. Like Kobe. Bro, I'm dexterous for the league, nigga. Bro, let her shoot like an addict. Shoot like an addict.
She say she do it for money, she don't do shit for free. She drop it low and shake her ass to the beat. I'm a baller, I'ma give her what she need. And she say she strip at the club 7 days out the week. She poppin' Zanny, so I know she a freak. And she don't fuck with you if you ain't got no cheeks. She say she ain't a hoe, but she'll be one for me. She drop it low and shake her left and right cheek. Ass so fat, man, I swear I can't even speak. And she super thick and like the twerk, watch how she turn it up. Got a tattoo on her booty, look like Lonnie Pop.
Humor, you are cheating so hard.
Yo, I'm cheating?
You're cheating.
Wait,
so
how?
hard.
How am I
You're
cheating?
using reach. You're using reach.
Wait, how do you know I'm using reach?
Because I recorded it. You're using reach.
Wait, are you cheating too?
No.
Oh, you're not cheating? Then why do you think I'm using reach?
You are using. I recorded it.
What do you mean you recorded it?
I recorded it. You're cheating your dick off.